Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can make Google Finance dark mode. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, on your web browser, go to google.com/finance and log in to your Google account. Once logged in, as you can see here, you would go to another tab and then you are going to type Chrome://flags. And when you enter that, you're going to see this site right here. From the search bar, we're going to search dark mode. It is important to know that Google Finance does not have a built-in dark mode setting. So we're going to switch to dark mode using this. As you can see, go to dark mode for web contents. By default, this should be your setting. So, click on the drop-down menu and click on Enable. After that, for the effects to take effect, click on Relaunch and then give it a few minutes. And now, as you can see, your web browser is now in dark mode. To go back to Google Finance, this is how it should look. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!